Hello, my name is Blacklock. I'm a master PGA professional and I'm the inventor and designer of the Explanar golf training system. I designed the Explanar to simplify golf for everybody. And what I want to explain to you in this series of videos is that the golf swing is only three components. Half of it is shoulder turn, a quarter of it is forearm rotation, and the last quarter is the wrist cock. So those three factors, shoulders, forearms and wrists. And let me take now into the Explanar and show you how the shoulders work, because they are the start of a good golf swing. The beauty of Explanar is it reduces the golf swing to just three component parts: shoulders, forearms and wrists. Here's a 6-iron. This is wrist cock, this is forearm rotation, and this is shoulder turn. Now in the grand scheme of things, you have to start the golf swing with the shoulder coil. You can't start with the wrists nor the forearms. The left shoulder has to hit the throat. That's the key movement. And it's the main reason that I designed Explanar, was to teach you the shoulder turn or the shoulder coil. Let's go into Explanar now and show you how that works. As you're aware, we rest the roller on the hoop. I'm taking my grip at the bottom of the handle to simulate a 5 or 6 iron swing. So the wrists don't start, nor do the forearms, the shoulders. So if you look at my shoulder line, my forearms and the roller, you can see that that Y shape is working backwards and forwards. So already we've got half a golf swing. Now take it from me, if that's all you ever did, if that's the only exercise you had, you've covered half the golf swing and most of the short game. So there we have it. The foundational movement of the golf swing is the shoulder coil, and using the heavy power roller and Explanar, that gives you a great foundation for the rest of the golf swing. The primary motor skill of the golf swing is the shoulder coil. Now before I had Explanar, I would get you to put a club across your shoulders and get you to coil the shoulders through 90 degrees. If I turn sideways to you and take my posture, you can see the key motion. So the left shoulder starts the backswing and the left shoulder completes the backswing. So here's the starting point. My left shoulder gets right to my throat. It's a rotation of around 90 degrees. Stepping with the power roller, the shoulders start the motion and we've got back to the half swing very, very quickly. Now you can see I can go no further with the shoulders until the forearms roll. That takes me to 3/4 of a swing. So we're mixing forearm rotation to shoulder turn, 3/4 of swing. The missing piece is wrist hinge. So while the shoulders are the dominant part of the backswing and the downswing, they can't move unless the forearms roll and the wrists cock. If I could only give you one lesson, it would be the rotation of the left shoulder in the backswing. Let me show you that. First motion, left shoulder to the throat. Now, if your grip and posture are poor, it gives you nothing. But if your grip and posture are sound, the left shoulder controls 15 things in the backswing. Yeah, 15 things come from the shoulder turn, and that's why I built Explanar, to teach you that shoulder turn. So the shoulder turn gives you plane, it gives you swing path, it gives you width of arc. When the left shoulder coils, your whole shoulder line coils and twists, your torso coils, your hips work, your knees flex and your weight shift. When you load the left shoulder, your wrists hinge and your forearms rotate. And when you turn your left shoulder, you know the pace of your backswing and also you know the length of your backswing. So there it is. If you've got good grip and posture, the shoulder coil is 15 things in the swing. And the Explanar is brilliant at training that movement.